Hello everyone and welcome again to another episode of Spelling. Today we are working in Spelling Unit 16, Day 3, page 110. So if you have your workbook and you're working in your workbook, make sure you bring this over into your document here so you can turn it into your teacher if that's what you guys are doing in your class. We are working on these schwa sounds still. So remember, schwa sound says and when we say like another, so we have n, so we have two schwa sounds in another. So that's what we're looking for. Anyway, when we go into these words today, we're looking at completing proverbs. Proverbs are sayings that have been said throughout the history of the English language and sometimes even further. You might not have heard of some of these sayings before, but they are sayings that have been passed on. So number one, if at first you don't succeed, try. Which word would work? Try again. So when we look at this, that is the word that we're looking for is again. So you're going to put again on number one. And you can see the word box above has all of the options. I don't think there's anything, maybe number 4, opportunity is waiting, but if you need to blank on the door. So what do you need to do to the door? You need to open the door. Number 6, analogies. Student is to school, so I think of a student goes to school. So what goes to the farm? An animal goes to the farm. So as you can see, I changed is to goes to because that's how they are related. Under is to below, so under means below. So over means what? Interested is to bored. Well, those are opposites. So interested is opposite of bored. So asleep is opposite of. Then come on down to the next slide. And on the next slide, we are filling in sentences using context clues. What that means is the sentence gives you the meaning of the word. So once blank a time, you've heard this before in fairy tales. Once blank a time, there was a silly girl who had fallen blank on someone's bed. So on someone's bed, what do you do on a bed? You fall asleep. So as you can see, we have been able to find the meaning of asleep just by looking at falling on someone's bed. What do you do when you fall on a bed? You fall asleep. So that's how you're going to answer those questions. And when you're finished with that, you are finished with your spelling for today. And make sure you turn that in so that your teacher receives it. Have a great day. Palm it.